wicked multiply. Blessed Sigma Lendios, grant me the will to purge the corrupt.
Epa lagunok ongi etorri Laster Txapelen kanalen ongi etorri Vermintide honetara eta ongi etorri gaur atera den aktualizazio honetara gainera ekartzen dituri 3 mapa berri doako DLC baten moduan eta ipotzen erreinura joango garenez joango gara ipotzen erreinura ongi esagian hartuko dugu beste hauetariko gauza bat eta joango gara mapa ia gainditza lortzen dugun zuzeneko egiten dagoen bitarte honetan lehenengo mapa hori igotzen dago YouTubera eta zuzeneko izango duzue bihar eta orain era jendea topatzen dugun ez hori ez
How'd that last lot get so close, Suzuki? Dunno. One moment they were there, the next... Do better! Slack watch gets 4 kills. Easy now, Gorison. I was only... Enough! I sharp, Suzuki.
no, que le han versión normal gutxi gora bera dakitzen behar dudan gutxi gora bera.
The dwarves of Karak Asgaraz have had hopes of reclaiming Kazid Crow for some time, and those plans are finally in motion. Only the war parties disappeared without a trace, leaving dreams of reconquest and the fate of all concerned in a ticklish place. Sounds like a job for us.
Bai, hori dirudi.
Glad I remember this back way in. Now, let's find these beardlings.
That's assuming the ratmen haven't carved them up into little pieces.
Can't we go any faster? Lives hang in the balance.
Bueno, dena arakatzea ongi dago. Naiz eta bide mendigoitik ez izan. Vale, hemen ez dago zer.
That one flew through right enough.
No, los datos.
Medical supplies.
Says the door.
Hemendik ez dago ezer.
That's a fire act.
Ratmen have dug in a bit, haven't they?
There she goes, our skinny little wave of that killing machine. Oh, a mighty influence. We shall not be overcome. Get behind me, Keshen scum!
Biltzaile momentu berdinean. Bueno.
The fiend is down!
Vale, guazen mank.
Rattling gunner. Get out of the way, gun team!
Itxaron.
Enough of a gas vat.
Incoming!
Orain hobeto.
Over here, big flies.
Flies here! Trap! Don't stop us! You're welcome to...
Don't let it hit you.
Vale. Jarraitu ezagun aurrera. Vale.
They were reckless, but they deserve better.
Dead. Plague monks up ahead, mayflies.
Assassin! Assassin! The assassin's dead. There'll be more. You see that? With the shorty around, reckon I can take things a little easier. Besides, couldn't do it without you.
Hush. Can't you hear more coming? Your swollen egos. Strike them down.
The doorway yet stands, and Cousin Crow Malaya, he will teach these brackies some manners. Oi! Over here! Not enough! Neither in numbers nor effort! That's all you've got?
Orbalaya.
Close. Wrangler, bring it down. Don't let it touch me. Pack, master dog.
No heretic! Be careful! Gas grenades!
Look, Mayflies. Thank you, we're not wasting our time after all. Mayflies, bring it down. Don't let it touch me. Pack, master dog. Wrangler, bring it down. Don't let it touch me. Look, Mayflies. Thank you, we're not wasting our time after all. Mayflies. Thank you, we're not wasting our time after all. if you dare.
I'm surprised you can stand Withelgi. I hear the wildfire. Dory, have you gone wandering?
Vale, galdu naizenan izan naiz. Ay.
No dejamos ahí el tema de lámparas. ¿Te vale o qué?
Ez dut erabili.
¿Eh?
Ez dudala erabili! Vale, hemen liadita. Mira. Bai, hobeto. Galduta banago asko zegote gongo, zaretenik gabe.
At least the sun is shining.
Neta ni cagadak.
Karak Asgaraz have had hopes of reclaiming Khazid Crow for some time, and those plans are finally in motion. Only the war parties disappeared without a trace, leaving dreams of reconquest and the fate of all concerned in a ticklish place. Sounds like a job for us. All right then. Who's up for a dwarf hunt?
Let's get to it.
Hori zati dago itxita orain.
Everything the rat men touch turns to ruin. Did you ever notice that?
Bless me, a bomb! Come on! I'm throwing a bomb! You have a doorway and a shield! You, get behind! Yes, man, it's bomb!
Vale, jarraitu ezagun aurrera.
Come on, Dory! Fire! Shot! Kill him quicker next time, would you? Keep going! Here!
Don't let you.
You see that? With the zombie around, reckon I could take things to the lead? Nice, nothing. Just trade it.
A ver.
Come on, Watson! If that's all you've got, you must have more. You hit like gobos, the lot of you. Go on, hit me harder! Baggy! Over there, kill the Watson! Get this fruiting baggy off me! Bugger, that's a rattling! Arrive in time to be saviors.
Vale, hemen dalean galdu naizen
They were
tokia.
reckless, but they deserve better. Smash a doorway with that!
Goazen.
Goliah still stands. Only just. Gas rat! Did you not see it?
Cavaliers down! Rattling guns! They can take 'em!
Oi va. Teoria non erabili nahi.
Oh, hello. Maybe someone survived. Assassin rat dead!
Ez nuke horrelakorik izango. Ez benetan hori ez. Ez. Hori ez.
Over here! Easy picking for you! Only a doorway! Yes! Ringarati!
I can't fight any longer.
Come on then! You stink stronger than you try! Right here! Give me a good shot! Hey, here's where the action is! Take your best shot! Hardy. Well, how do you think we got this way? Not by taking foolish risks. It drops off, whatever it was.
Goazen. Ai. Vale, se munizio kutza.
I think I've got a job for you.
No! What? I don't believe it!
Gauza da...
Hello? What can we do to help?
Just in the brewery, it'd be easy to get that door open. Thing is, the Raki have been meddling.
Dory? That's my daughter, my Hedda. Shot her everywhere I did.
Venga.
Side by side, face them together.
Started. Watch out for Raki! It's this one!
No challenge, not for us.
Yours done!
Throw over there, Dory.
Goddess, that's a gap move.
That's right, stick.
I think you maybe get this.
Vale, es que nos falta...
Listen, what back? Clear both of us. More throwers out of it. Karen, you need to parry. Come on! Ah, my grandmother hits harder than that. Go on, again. I can take it. Ha-ha! You want another crookie?
Let me tend these wounds. We've done as you asked, Bardenline. Your turn.
Clear air at last.
Vale, gauza da... Akatu gaituztela aurrerago.
Done for.
Vale, jarraitu ezagun aurrera.
men everywhere. Fetch, walk fetch. Don't you listen to her, Zungi. You know how she gabbles on.
Nothing's firing! No! Ha!
Give them hell! Some bloody pieces!
Hola.
Can you not see? This is the map. Kill that fire rat. See, I don't.
Ammunition trove, if you're in need. These steps look promising. I do wish dwarves would learn the joy of colourful surroundings.
Oh.
Do you know how long I looked for her? Now to find her in this mess.
Me now, down here.
You don't get this many Raki in one place for no reason.
Bound for Karak Asgaraz, I've no doubt. Looks like you'll be finishing Edda's mission.
Ja. Ezatet egitea bi gauza ezberdin dira.
Oi! Are you wizards here yet?
Oi, Butter! I'll give you one for free! I test my property! Go for it!
Oi! Interlopers, can you hear me?
Still here? Just take a swing!
Hilketa kendu diazu Kruger.
Down there! Have it.
Way to say hello, you know?
I scrounge the black bowels.
Vale.
I'll get it to you, you'll get it to the tunnels, huh?
If nothing else, it'll get us.
Hear that? Sounds like an ass.
Ah,
Butter now!
Got something for you!
ja. Eskrerek lanekoak daudela hemen. Aztu egin zaizue soilik. Gauza da nora eraman behar dira.
Yes, Fury, this is no time to slow down!
Live and
Yes.
A gutter runner treads loose.
Come here! Not enough! Either in numbers or effort! More! Someone give me a reel!
Pilla, daudela.
Try again!
No la...
Kill that Globadier! There's a rattling close by, you'll see.
Bueno, ¿dónde Juan Vergaracho?
The rattling is dead.
My shield is ready. You should be as well, Dory. Someone kill that rooting straggler.
You can do this faster. I've seen you
Ya, claro.
before.
Oi! Over here! That's all you've got? I know you can't. Are you also blind?
Gauza da, nora eraman behar dugu.
I've seen scores die in a single burst of Zardoom. Kill that fire! There! Assassin!
Sin da idea.
Kick it.
No, not the Pale Queen.
The elves! Horizontal!
Claro. Esate egitea. Utzi da zue. Venga ya, joder. Zuma dago gara hemen.
Rattling gunners close by. Stand ready, Dory.
A gutter runner is here. Over there!
Benetan.
Everywhere. And another one's gone. You look half dead, we tell you. Not done yet. Hey, here,
Hostia.
stop falling down now. Right here. Give me a good shot.
Claro.
Don't let her sacrifice deity.
Hemen non. Ez honetan, non ost! Utzi behar dira.
Come on, Wattens! I'll give you one for free. Still here? Just take a swing. Go on, hit me harder. Fight on! Come on!
Mapa madarikatua.
Master done. Here goes
A ver.
Maggie. Come on, yeah!
Madarikatua.
Over here! Easy pickings for you! Only a doorway! That's all you've got? Hogger! I'm still standing! Do it proper! And that, my young beardling, as you'll plainly see, is why you never trust an Elgie who clings to a tree.
Ez honetan. Super estresantea da hautxo.
Tyler!
See that? Assassin. Sweet Grunny's Lord of Rakizar! Help me! Assassin's on me! Is that a rattling gun?
The rattling scream is last.
Mission stash! Come now, assassin! Face a doorway! Sneaky rat, he's dead and gone!
Ez benetan.
Watch out! Rattling gunner! Rattling's gone! Ha! You! Watch out, them! I'm on form today, Dory!
Gauzada nola goazen gora.
You hear that? Rattling's gunner! Get this thing off Gas! Can't you hear the rasp of his lungs? Rattling's dead, Gaswater!
Uf.
Over here! You stink stronger than you try! I know you can't! Do you also fly? The rattling's gonna die! Come here! Yeah, like gobos, the lot of you! Not enough, either in numbers or effort! More! My grandmother hits harder than that!
Ez benetan.
Rattling got food! Cover it! The gunner's dead! I can't get free!
Save me from the
Well, you can stop us!
Save me.
You're well.
Yeah! A pack of plague monks comes for us.
Come on! No. Try again. Harder. There's more room here. Take your best shot. All it's to face his head on. Right off there, you damn dirty rat.
Uf. No, que estresa.
Rattling heads down or back feet, Dory. Someone give me a real man. Go on again. I can take it. That's all you've got! You must have more! Aye! Where the bloody Uber's right by? Oh, doesn't matter!
I'll get you paid.
I'm surprised you can stand without it. Kill the fire, Astringrazzi, while you still can. I could do this all day.
What?
One less assassin to worry about. That assassin will trouble us no longer.
Wah.
Someone, help me!
Someone help that clapless out. Little, aren't you? Crude gears, fouled oil, rattling.
Usada es aquí, dala.
Oi, what
Andago.
You need patching up.
Joder.
Hogger, I'm still standing. Do it proper. You could use some aid help. That rat's got a reach, all right. That's not before time. Backstabber!
Uf.
This team is already fought enough.
Anda, Barrilori.
Backstabber, did you see it?
Not yet.
You're a bit bloody hell. Oh! Can't slick ya! Heal up, Dwarf, you're fooling no one. Come here, Watson! Go on, hit me harder!
Ya va de aquí.
There's more room here! Over here! Easy pickings for you, only a doorway!
Count out tight.
Not yet. Not yet. Out of inside! Move! Rattling gunners, yes! me gob! Fire! Oh, you got! Yeah! Really? Give them hell! Top on top!
Monster! Meet me, we need to bleed! Rally
A glorious shot! Well done!
hiding in the shadows, assassin.
That rat's rag, Dory! Can that shield, Dory! Someone pull me up or I'll die of war!
Okay.
Release me, backstabber! You're badly wounded, Grimke. Come on, then! You stink stronger than you try. If that's all you've got, you must have more. Yeah, like gobbles, the lot of you. Look out, that's been done. Back.
Just an observation, but one eye's about to perish.
Can't help but think we're not alone, Greg Berardi. Get ready to scatter! That's a good rat!
The gunner's dead.
Over there! I hear it!
Just pull the vermin clear. I'll cut it through.
Yeah! Vile pigs! Whose side are you on?
Hush!
Oof.
Get butchered up.
One Sigma! Kill that man
Stop with straight from the boat.
Oi, what's up? That's all you've got? Hey, here's where the action is. Right here! Give me a good shot!
Ah, gunners. Someone draw the fire.
Uf.
I think he's dead, lumber boots. I don't know. More stone shots coming in. Hold fast, One Eye.
My grandmother hits harder than that. I know you're daft. Are you also blind? Doesn't Sigmar say don't shoot the dwarf, Kirky? Hey! I'm hanging on a leg! Do help! That's right! About your sword!
Wouldn't have done it.
Job's done. Time to come home.
Oh. Vale, badirudi bukatuko dugu orain. Vale. Ordu bat eta piko lehen da biziko inditzeko. Ni hora ez gari goko. Asko sufritu du azkenengo zati hori,
Funny old night, ain't it?
Bale, bakarrik nagoela. Fugatuko du hau behintzat. Vale.
Hedda was never much of one for finishing projects, but I'll allow that in this case the Raki shoulder at least a portion of the responsibility. More fools them, because now I'm involved. And I'll put a stop to their recruiting designs on Karak Asgaraz, or my name's not Bardin Gorickson, which it is.
Vale.
Time to get moving. and to find that bomb.
By the hammer! The dwarves of Khazit Crow shall be avenged!
Oh no. Kaos garlari agertu dira behintzat.
I suddenly have a bad feeling about all this.
Big sorry, but it did the job.
Hey! Come, Black Rat. I'll show you mercy.
Hop, rat!
Vale, guazen. Bardinen bidea. Ja, baina eske... Bueno, luberan sensatzioa nabaritzen da. Bueno, subira aspaldi heldu gara.
Come, Black Rat. Taste steel.
Hala, heresia dena.
They're very tall and... Coming! Stay close to me, you see the path? Oh, the Reki at shield!
Gainera sanguijuelak daude.
Grappling gunners!
Shield burning. Feet on. Would almost to where McDowell may place.
Won't be much comfort to those who once lived here.
I bear the grudge gladly, Daraslin.
Bloodlines. Can you not see this as the path?
Une bat esentzin dut goblinak. Ba, puntazo bat izango litzateke goblinak batean agertzea.
Need a healing drop, me, please. Black Rat. A challenger. Healing draft. Got your runner.
Vale, jarraitu ezagun.
These stones resemble...
I can't bear to see it like this.
Plague rats.
This is the path, Glory. We've seen worse than this. The way Swindlers is asking you. War funding!
Impressive, Gorickson. I'll wipe that.
It's
Right.
damned. Give that ungut cleaver another knock. Might need to have another go with that lever.
Gerber, keep killing like this and I'm gonna lose my bet.
Bet? What bet? Oh! Power of abomination!
Up here.
Ganetea familia guztia.
Cannot waste a drop.
Vale. Jarraitu ezagun. Nuk aurrera.
It's this way.
Baina. Ipotxa zati dagoan. Ez benetan ez dut ulertzen.
Holy justice!
Place was beautiful before the Skaven arrived. It will be so again.
Lapur bat lasaitu da hau.
It's small, but noisy. Ha! Just like a dwarf.
At least you made it as far as the river, barely.
Here's a healing draft. Hiding in the shadows, assassin.
Nani zergaiti.
Keep going. Here.
The Skaven's faster than it looks. Don't let it hurt you.
Not sure you deserve this rescue, Elf.
Ai, shotza. Vale, guazen aurrera.
Oh, a mighty
Something monstrous approaches.
Nondik dator?
mighty duo!
왜?
Blacklight gun! I fight on! For the louse! Opening up! Someone help me up!
Someone help the dwarf. I think he's drunk.
Joder, que dilan bardin egiten dion sistadak. Ja.
Medical supplies over here. Plague vermin. You're a tough dwarf. I'll give you that.
With this shot I abjure thee!
So, you made it to Mud Dog Mine? Might be you'll manage it after all.
Oh. Kill the fire, that thing, Brady, while you still can.
Up here.
Listen, assassin! Die! Escaping gunner. Surprise. The gunner is slain! What are you shooting, fool? Justice finds thee! Well fought, Sergeant!
Flame as well.
Foul machinery is no match for Imperial steel.
That our bomb? Good. You know what comes next.
Badaboom.
No way to open that door from here. We'll have to use some of that lateral thinking.
Bonifikazioak ematen dizkigu. Ondo dago.
Up the stairs!
Another Blackfur! These vermin never learn.
I don't know what I expected from you, darling, but it wasn't nice. Ah, is that so? You don't change.
Over here! Now,
Sorgingarria.
look,
Roughly
Ozen!
done!
You think pain will stop me? Nothing's gone. Ha!
Oh, let this potion work. Fresh hours are always welcome.
Vale, goazen bila. Hau lankidetza izango litzatekelako.
More Ratchman machinations! My blood seethes!
I need help, Percy!
Sigma curse you, keep up!
Orain topatzen dudan.
Goringar asked, I answered. That's what you taught me to do.
Here, the stairs!
Blessed ancients. There's corruption on the breeze. Why does the weave suffer?
Eta ipotzen ondago orain.
get to kicking these racky wazzicks in the donleys.
Smash the change and you'll break through the scaffold that's blocking the bomb car. Couldn't be easier.
I can get behind that. No bother.
Trust an engineer to have everything figured out.
Gas rat incoming! Keep back!
That ain't enough. Keep going.
Sigma, bless this shot!
Ay.
We've work to do. Twice the glory! The bigger glory! Sigma! I have failed you! All right, sir. Double the discipline! The dwarf shames us with his zeal! Oh, blessed shot!
Have you forgotten about those chains already? Like you say.
I feel the dark gods reach out for me, Gringy!
That's it. You can get to the bomb car now.
Time to unleash the wrath of the Kruber's Reich 5!
Bueno, listen.
Here they come! Stand firm and strike hard! Receive the judgment of Sigma!
Stop! Fumes going!
Move it!
That should open the way for Karagaskaras to counterattack. They have to be told.
Works for me. Doesn't work for the rest.
Vale.
He's dying! No! I will overcome these heretics! I will! Back to the gate! The hills are on me!
I might have
Time to
underestimated you.
depart. We'll be back to
Not
finish
bad
the
for
rest.
Fulton Longbeard friends.
Dead, not alive! Come on! Up here!
Vale. Hala. Nigarren ez dut errezago izan dela. Vale. Nire zigo gara, 35 era. Bukatu da. Bueno, hemen gaudela saiatuko gara behintzat
What about this heat wave?
hirugarren misioa egitera. Ea tipak nahi duen.
Well, there's no coming.
Raki won't be bothering Karak Asgaraz for a good long time. But that doesn't mean Karak Asgaraz won't be bothering them. No, we're going to light the signal beacons and let King Thuringar know it's time to settle grudges. If all goes well, there won't be a Raki alive on this mountain come the dawn.
Ready to be renowned heroes? I know my daddy calls you Dreng Barazi, but that won't cover today's work.
It's just called to the blood. Here, Dringbarazzi.
May we proceed? Already my feet are like lumps of ice.
It's a long way yet. Hope you're not tired.
A little stroll like this. Ha!
A valiant strike.
There! Plague monk! Stand up! Twice the glory! Hurry, sir! Ain't that a beautiful shot? Got the hot rat! Sigma, bless this shot!
Vale.
Sigma! I have failed you!
Alla cosa manca.
Why not waste a drop?
That won't hurt.
Rolling gun!
Receive the judgment of Sigma!
Where are your winds now, sorcerer?
Hostia, que eres y tu guacatubear. Vale, no han dado.
God.
These caves could be beautiful if properly cultivated.
Bend your rune sword.
Ahí va, goas.
Lord, I hope, Gorrickson. Blood everywhere, and another one's gone. Take this shot, I am dirty!
Cosa manca.
close. Watch the flanks. Been empty a while, I reckon.
It can all be reclaimed once the Raki are gone.
Take that eyes!
It shoots much.
You'll have to lower the bridge.
Oh, that's a shot!
Vale. Desgraziatu behar. Nahiz eta unitate ahulenak izan.
I see Grimnir's jelly in your stripes, Club. I'm a mortal of flame! Just as fine thee! With this I toast infinite. You think pain will stop me? You're needed, Elf. You must not die.
I won't do it all. How dare you? Have some respect. Now the supply pipes burst. There's nothing going to plan.
Mighty Dior!
my wits. As well, I'm sure. Is that potion any use?
Follow me through the door. Sigma curse, you keeper!
Vale, goazen laguna. Salbatzera.
Armored heretic! Fight the righteous fight! By the hammer, up fire!
Vale, agian ez genuen hori egin behar.
Righteousness! Do not fail me now! Rest up, Grimgy!
Can you hear more coming? Swollen egos.
Rattling! Make for the beacon! Spare no effort!
There, you see that broken pipe?
Oh, foul abomination!
That repaired. Now you just have to light the fireball.
Bueno, taldeek tengan konfiantza izan behar dut, ere bai. Oh.
teeth. Kill the gas rat. Ambush! One most blessed steward in the world. Looks like you're ready. Fight on! For the last! All right, sir.
Can't take another like that.
Horrible, but as long as it holds, we'll cope.
It is.
Nora joan behar gara.
Off we go!
Bale, bagoaz bizitza purka errekuperatzen bai. Uste dut 5 segundu da bizitza berreskuratzen dugula.
Glomadier! Foul artifice is this? Green fire? To bloody pieces! Wait!
Ondik da bidea?
These stairs go up, Master Dwarf. Down. You've spoilt it now.
Ay, Víctor.
Meet them with steel and righteous strike. War funding. What I hear, mates. Leech. There's the gobble hiding. No fun if you don't join in, Dory. Who wants to be the gobble?
Heltzen garen. Vale, hortik ezin esigo.
Essen scum! Got gas incoming!
Buah.
Double the discipline! Down here!
Ay. Vale.
There's a runner.
Get this black bastard off me! This is where we stand, and they fall.
Come on, this way.
Azken aldu gara, Zan beharko da kanpo aldetik.
That's right. Stand on the plate to set the beacon alight.
Hold your breath! A plummeteer!
That is.
Here they come! Not me, dead!
Vale, beraz, hemen bizi iraun.
Gasland, watch for the flow! Keep back! Sorry!
Surely it's no farther than your.
Your tongue!
This day was already bad enough.
Ez. Hemen ezin gara hil. Ja, Markus, ver. Markus. Vale. Lagundu.
For the love of Sigmar, get back on that plate.
Fire that! Slay it! Bring it on! Dying? No! I will overcome these heretics! I will! Holy justice! Seen the signal?
There's a fire rat nearby.
That's the sound of a...
Vale, guazen atzera biratu gabe.
The Raki supper. They deserve every drop of misery.
Zein da bidea. Vale.
The Ratchmen flee! Like the cowards they are!
What about you, young Barley's Dottier? There's a place for you at the keep if you want somewhere to rest your head.
We'll have to see, won't we? Look for me when you see me.
Ahora begira. Horai, eskaben itxasantziak eta bat, ez gara elmugar helduko, baina beno. Uste du handi dugula. Oso ondo. Bueno, gerrako izan zitekeen. Bai. Eta bukat aurretik. No salgo kagun
Good
hemen.
day. And so far, it actually is.
Hemen zer bete dugu. Bueno. Reklutan ez dut jogatu. Asko gustatu zait, lehen da biziko zatia izan da pur bat arraroa. Kerillian. Beno lagunok, hau izan da dena. Espero dut gustoko esan zaizuela, eta horrengoan gehiago